Hello all, welcome to Bro Billionaire. So today we are going to discuss about Graphite India Limited. So Graphite India is up about 20% today. It has hit the circuit and it is trading at price of 527 rupees. So let's understand what is the company doing and what are its products. So before going to check about the company, let's understand what is the graphite. So graphite is a crystalline form of a carbon. Okay, so it is made from the carbon by arranging atoms in a hexagonal structure. So this is used in pencils and lubricants. Apart from that, other usages are in uh, electrodes, batteries, and solar panels. Also, it is used in a steel industry. So graphite electrodes actually are used in a steel industry for melting metals, and yeah, as I said, they are used in solar, glass, and semiconductors as well. So what is the Graphite India? Graphite India is producing synthetic graphite and carbon products. So these are their major products. Okay, graphite electrodes and carbon products. So checking about the like why let's understand why Graphite India is up about 20%. So in last 2 days, almost I think 30 odd percent it is up. So let's understand what are its reason to move this fast up from 400 sub levels. So the couple of reasons that I found are like this. So there is an increased demand of steel, and there is an increased demand of, so in turn there is an increased demand of graphite electrodes as well, right? So since the graphite electrodes are used in a steel industry, so as soon as there is an increase in demand for the steel, there will be increase in demand for graphite electrodes as well. And in winter, the Chinese graphite mines uh, are shut down, like they have halted the production in the winter. So and apart from that, the needle coke which is used to make the graphite electrodes, the prices of the raw material that is used to make the graphite electrodes has also fallen. So these are a couple of reasons which, because of which, there is a these are in favor of Graphite India. That's why we see that there is a jump in volume and the share is running from past couple of days. So let's understand what all levels it can go up ahead. Okay, so this is the technical analysis with the Elliott Wave for Graphite India. So as you can see on my screen, as per the Elliott Wave, there are 5 waves in up move of any particular share. So based on Elliott Wave theory, there are 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves are completed. After 5 waves cycle, there are correction waves which corrects the entire move from which corrects the entire move from the bottom to top, right? So this particular move, you can say, gets corrected, or in short, I could say that there is a consolidation happens before the further up move. So after these 5 moves, there is usually a consolidation and drop comes, and then after it resumes the trend and breaks the previous stop. So that's what happens in each and every share as per the Elliott Wave theory. So here you can see that 5 waves have been completed in the graphite. From 100 levels, it has went up to 800 levels, say, after the COVID fall. So now what is happening here is it has been correcting since then, since 800 levels to 400 levels. So almost 50% of drop we have seen here. So from 800 levels, when you see, we can see here that it is in a complex zigzag correction. We can call it as a double zigzag correction or a triple zigzag correction, depending on whether the fall has been finished or it's still pending. So here you can see that wave W is denoted like this, which has internally ABC moves, then X, then Y, then XX will be there, and then Z wave could be there. Okay, so XX and Z wave cannot be confirmed as of now yet. It can be possible that it is going to go up from these levels itself. So that possibility is also there. So once it breaks this X, we can say that the correction ended. Before that, there is a still chance that it will hit the top line of the channel and drop from there. So to do that, it needs to go like this. Okay, so this will be A wave. Okay, and then there will be a drop, then it will go to the channel top, and from there it will drop again as ABC on the downside. So this is the next support that I'm thinking, that 342, if at all it is going to correct now. So if at all it is going to correct, it will come towards 342 levels. That is not confirmed yet. So hold your horses and don't plan for waiting for this level. So there is a chance that it can still go up and break the top of X wave. Okay, so what I'm assuming here is a couple of things. Here it did not create any divergences. Okay, so while going down as well, there were no divergences seen. So initially I was thinking that I was keeping eye on this share, because I know what is its usage and how what can be the potential of this company. So yeah, so I was keeping an eye on this, and I was going to enter somewhere near these levels, keeping this as a stop loss. But yeah, that didn't work out and it fell down further. And yeah, so as you can see on my screen, there is a no divergence on the while it came up. And now on the downside also, when it went up, there is no divergence. So this is low, this is low of MACD, and this is the low for the price. So price is also going down and MACD is also going down, so there is no divergence. So there can be a case that it can go like this to the X and drop down again and then start the up move. So this is one of the possibility that we have. So what we have to do is we have to wait and watch next couple of days how it behaves. So if it further starts to go up, hitting some circuits, then we can definitely know that it is going to go up and break the previous high. So that's what we should be waiting for. So yeah, that is one way to like look at this, look at the technical analysis of Graphite India. Apart from that, you could see here that there is a huge volume. So huge volume could indicate that there is a trend change, right? So compared to last couple of days, this average volume is very huge. So yeah, there could be a possible chance that it is going to go up. But we have to consider the other shares and other sectors, or you could say steel industry as well, or you could say entire market, as we have to see. So currently we have most of the shares in the bear market zone, right? Or you could say they are in a bearish tone. So this can be a very much possibility that it is going to go one more round of correction. Maybe it will make one more low, or it can give the retracement and then jump up. So that is also the possible case. So these are a couple of things that you need to notice, and you need to look at this particular shares technical analysis. So that's all. Have a great day. Bye bye.